Hello friends, welcome to AARUS. At AARUS, together we will make our day-to-day recipes more interesting, yummy, yet healthy with some desi and videsi twists. Today we will prepare wheat porridge or vegetable dalia, which is a very heart-friendly recipe and prepared using broken or cracked wheat. To make this, I have taken around 200 gram of dalia, which I first dry roasted and then soaked into water for around 30 minutes. Soaking of dalia will reduce the cooking time. In veggies, I have taken carrots, a cup, cut into pieces, corn kernels, 1 cup, green beans, cut into pieces, 1 cup, around 3 medium-sized potato, cut into pieces, and around a cup of green peas. You can use any other vegetable of your choice or which is available at your home. For tempering, I have taken around 2 tablespoons of ghee. You can use any cooking oil for this. A tablespoon of cumin seed, few curry leaves, and around a tablespoon of dhania powder. To make this, put the pressure cooker on the gas. Now add our ghee or cooking oil of your choice. Once it melts, add the cumin seed, let it crackle and change the color. Now we will add our veggies one by one. The final product of this recipe will be very soft in consistency. It will be super light and heart friendly. It is very easy to digest and nutritious recipe. So it's a very good option specifically for elderly people or kids of any age. I prefer to give this in breakfast to my kid who is just 1.5 years old and he truly loves it. So I'm skipping the addition of chilies in this. Now add the curry leaves. Addition of curry leaves at this stage will give it a very nice flavor. After around a minute, we will add our dalia. We will add the coriander powder and other spices. Turmeric powder around a tablespoon. And salt to taste. You can add chilies or any curry masala at this stage if you want to make it little spicy and different in taste. So now we will add 3 times water. If we have taken a cup of dalia, then we will add 3 cups of water in this recipe. That will be sufficient because we have already soaked our dalia in water. Mix it and let it take a boil with the open lid so it will not stick in the bottom. It has started boiling. Now we will cover it with the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 whistles. Once it cools down, we will open the lid, mix it, and our dalia is ready now. We will serve it in a bowl. You can give this to your kids with curd, or you can have it with additional ghee, or you can have it as is because it's so yummy in taste. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to see our upcoming videos. Also, please like and share our video with your friends and family. Stay tuned. Bye bye till we meet again.